The New Balance 2002R is shifting from a hype-driven model to a dependable staple within the brand's lineup. While New Balance focuses more on newer silhouettes like the 204 liters, 2000, and 2010, the 2002R remains far too popular to be phased out completely. Instead of pushing countless collaborations, the sneaker is transitioning into timeless designs that fans can rely on. Its upcoming Black and Oat release highlights this shift, featuring a mix of black mesh, suede overlays, reflective touches, and understated off-white accents along the outsole and midsole. Priced at $155 and set to release during fall or winter 2025 through New Balance and select retailers, the pair embodies the model's new direction. Similar to the evolution of the 550, the 2002R is not disappearing but redefining its place in sneaker culture, proving the brand still values its staying power.